Top fun things to do in Japan to get the best of your Japan holiday packages. Japan, with its technologically advanced lifestyle, yet impressively grounded roots in its rich culture, is one of the best places to visit for a congenial and gratifying vacation. Besides, with some of the best. Be it a sumo match or kabuki, Japan has you covered and awe-inspired with its many great offerings of wonderful and unique live presentations. Kabuki is a brilliantly portrayed Japanese entertainment, recognized by the UNESCO as the heritage art form. This overtly dramatic performance hailing from the Edo era is a must-go-to event for anyone opting for a Japan tour package. It is especially a must if you love flashy acts, elaborate costumes, bold makeup, performing arts and learning about different cultures. And the bonus? It features amazing dance and music as well. Sounds kinky? Well, because it is. A love hotel is a place especially made for couple to stay there and have fun. But if you are wondering why we are suggesting you to try it out, then it's because it's an experience in itself. Every room of a love hotel is made differently to cater to different likes and preferences of its guests. The different rooms usually have different themes and offer costume play and even rental goods to serve your wishes well. You can book this motel to rest for a few hours or can choose it for a stay overnight. Although the idea of such a hotel may sound aberrant, it is but quite normal to the Japanese, perhaps due to the little privacy that they get at their homes. Taking a hearty dip in a hot spring or an Japan has these stores called the 100 yen shop all over the country where you can literally buy anything with just a price of 100 yen. These stores are not just popular for their low prices but also for their quality products. You can find a variety of interesting items ranging from cute phone cases and beautiful teacups to. Made your list yet? Good. May you eat well, shop a lot, travel even more and come back inspired by the cute Japanese fashion. Do let us know how your trip was, and if you want to add to this list of unusual stuff that is a must-do in Japan, feel free to enlighten us with your comments below. Ditch the typical Western hotels and instead opt for the traditional Japanese inn called ryokan. These rooms are matted with. Though such an inn can be quite expensive, with about 100,000 yen approx. A night, you can choose the one that doesn't serve meals for a pocket-friendly deal. Do not confuse Chinese food with Japanese ramen. The latter has its own originality to savor for its wonderful taste and the uniqueness of preparation. You can find ramen all over Japan. In fact, they even have vending machines to dispense this goodness, and shops that, along with selling instant ramen, also offer hot water machines to make your food ready then and there itself. However, if you like to keep it traditional, you can head to any restaurant to get yourself a bowl of freshly prepared steaming ramen. And if you have long tresses, they may even offer you a hair tie to prevent your locks from dipping in the soup. Now, that's really thoughtful. Fun fact, they even have an instant ramen museum known as Momofuku Ando Instant Ramen Museum that you may want to check out when enjoying your Japan tour package. Fun fact, in the 50 years of history of Japan's bullet train, not a single accident or death has occurred despite its dizzying speed. Talk about safety, speed and convenience. Being the mysterious and alluring image that a geisha has, when in Japan, it is hard to resist not being on a hunt for a glimpse of her. I say hunt because a geisha is a pretty rare sight. Taking the insider's tip, you can try strolling around Pontacho Alley in the evening. Lit with numerous lanterns, the alley itself looks mesmerizing at dusk, but with a little perseverance and a lot of luck, you can even spot a geisha or her apprentice, Maiko, to truly complete your Japan holiday package. With their beautifully painted faces and wearing their exquisitely crafted silk kimonos, they are certainly a sight to behold. At this hour, they can be seen busily scurrying in their wooden sandals to make it to their next appointment at one of the many traditional restaurants at the Gion District Street. Fun fact, owing to the strict lifestyle that geisha need to follow, their number has reduced drastically from 80,000 plus in the 1920s to a mere 2,000 today. Fun fact, sumo is not just another sport but a kind of a religious ritual where the fight itself is a form of a tribute to the spirits known as. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.